revised and updated with new video. This hurricane forecasted to hit around Tampa, come up the I-4 corridor and through Sanford. And this is prep for Hurricane Milton and a My Jeep video. At Milton coming up, and we're anticipating some damage and probably power outages. And you can see my garage is full of junk that we put inside. Over here I got my generator ready to go, and works like a top. It starts right up. It's full of gas, got 5 gallons. There's another 10 gallons, and I got another 5 gallons in the garage. That's 15 gallons, 20 gallons total with the generator. And there's the other 5 gallons. And for backup fuel, because I know how to do it because I've already done it, I've got over 20 gallons in that Jeep, and I can use the fuel rail and pump and a jumper, and I can get at least 15 gallons out of it, maybe more, and it don't take long, and I don't have to get under the Jeep. So there's our backup fuel. I don't have to. So there's already gas stations around here out of fuel. Anyway, that's the beginning of my hurricane report on Milton, and that's the beginning of the hurricane report on Milton. And I'm going to videotape when it comes through. We're expected to get 90 to possibly 110 mile an hour gusts, and that's definitely going to do some damage. We had one similar to that, 2016, had a lot of tree damage. Power went out for 3 days, and my generator worked great. I'll update you later. My Jeep out. And getting ready for Hurricane Milton, we got our 2 portable ACs. We'll put them up in the bedroom, keep us ice cold. If we lose power, get our generator going. Done it before. I had a third one, but I think the compressor went out on, I'm not sure. Pretty neat here. This one really gets cold. Puts out a lot of coolant. I've got some of the vents out, cleaning them because they were pretty dirty. Thing was dusty. We had to clean it up. This one here is covered, and it's like a brand spanking new one. I think what I remember now, when the other one went out, we ran to Lowe's and bought this one. I just turned it on, and it is. Let's see. It's set on 61, and it gets cold. Let me tell you, this air coming out of it, that's the coldest of the 2. That one there only goes down to about 62. Anyway, we're getting our ACs ready in case we need them. All we'll do is, if our power goes out, is put them in the windows. The exhaust in the windows.
It's hard to see. Oh, it's not really flooded. Streets are not that flooded. I thought they were. And my lemon tree.
It's about 3:30 in the morning, and around midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning, we had some pretty strong winds. You can see One of my trees in the backyard is leaning just about on the fence. Last time it got on the fence, it didn't do any damage. One of the palm trees, and it's going pretty good. But I think we've already had 70-mile-an-hour winds. It's supposed to get up to 80 here later. And my little trees, my little cypress survived. Okay, I'll get back with you after this storm is over with. It's blowing about 40 to 50 miles an hour, maybe gusting a little higher. Okay, we lost power at about 3:30, and it's around 4. So now Nancy's going to cut off all the breakers. Double check them, baby, just to make sure. Okay, all the breakers are off. Okay, my job now is to go out, turn the main off, and get the generator going. I didn't take the camera out because I didn't want it to get wet, but I had no problem turning the main off and getting the generator going. The lights back up. And we'll see you on the next update. Out for now.